Hi Army. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn your playlists into a queue. So first thing you do, just pick a playlist. We're going to pick this one here because it's one of our most recent ones. So you hit play on your playlist. It shows right here that you are streaming from a playlist. And to turn that into a queue, all you do is scroll. I'll just pick this first one here. Add it to your queue, and then now your whole playlist went into the queue, and the video that you just queued is down here. You can change the order if you wanted to. But what the advantage of this is that views from a queue are added to the music video um, within 24 hours. Whereas views from a playlist are added 1 to 2 days later. Manual streaming is still your quickest way to add views to a music video. But if you can't stream, go ahead and use a queue. If you can't do either one, go ahead and use a playlist because any stream is better than none. Even though you're queuing or menu streaming or using a playlist, we do still strongly suggest, if you can, to like the video, write a comment if it's an MV or like someone else's comments. YouTube is about human engagement, so it wants to know that you are human, and by engaging liking someone else's comment, writing a comment, things like that. It shows that you're active on the platform. Anyways, until next time.